Remember when we last saw Teresa Mendoza? She was on the run, a queen without a throne. But what happens when the queen decides to return? That's what we're here to discuss today. Teresa understood that the landscape had changed. She knew she couldn't navigate this new terrain alone. So she reached out to an old ally, someone who knew her world, her former lover and adversary, Epifanio Vargas. Epifanio, a man whose time behind bars had transformed him, had shifted his perspective, reevaluated his life's choices. He was now a changed man, laden with a desire to right the wrongs of his past. Teresa saw potential in this transformation, a spark that could ignite a new path in their world. With Epifanio by her side, Teresa began to gather her old allies, forming a formidable team ready to reclaim their lost power. The queen has returned, but she's not alone. She's building an army of redemption. But let's take a moment to talk about Epifanio Vargas. Remember him? The man Teresa once loved and loathed? Well, he's not the same man we knew. He's been shaped and sharpened by the unforgiving grindstone of prison life, a crucible that has forged him anew. He's now a man who's looked into the abyss of his past, seen the pain he's caused, and has chosen to do better. He emerged from those iron bars eager to right the wrongs of his past, to make amends for the hurt he's inflicted. And Teresa, ever the strategist, sees an opportunity in this transformation. She sees a path to navigate the treacherous labyrinth of their world, a path they could tread together. So here we have a man transformed, a man willing to stand by Teresa's side, to help her reclaim the power and influence she once wielded. Epifanio Vargas, a man reborn from the ashes of his past, ready to stand by Teresa's side. With Epifanio by her side, Teresa is not stopping at one. She's gathering a select group of former associates, all of whom are looking for a chance to start anew. They're individuals who've paid their dues and walked through the fire, just like Teresa and Epifanio. They've experienced the highs and lows, the triumphs and failures. Together they form a tight-knit team, a band of survivors united by shared experiences and a common goal. They're more than just associates. They're a family, a new alliance in the underworld. Teresa's charisma and leadership, fused with Epifanio's wisdom and newfound morality, sets the stage for a powerful partnership. They're charting a course, plotting their moves, ready to reclaim the influence Teresa once held. Together, they're not just building a new criminal empire, they're crafting a future of purpose and meaning. This is more than a business venture, it's a chance for redemption. And that, my friends, is the essence of the return of the Queen.